Find them, hurry. Where's the eggs with all the goodies? Ooh,
Yeah.
He's skinny.
You gotta put it in your basket.
Basket's full. Here, I'll hold them for you.
Okay,
Look,
there's
there's more.
more.
Find some more.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Find some more.
Here, we'll put them right here. You gotta find all of them now.
She's like, wait, I see this stuff now.
Trying to crack them open.
Gotta find some more.
Go find more.
Put those ones down, go find some more. She's like, wait, there's cool stuff right here.
Yeah, that's yours too. Yeah.
Kyrie, go look on SpongeBob.
Over there.
Where's some more? You find some more? Yeah, bring them here, put them down. Set them down right here, come find some more.
And put them in your basket. Here, put them in the basket. Now carry this and find more.
Kyrie, come here.
Find some more.
Kyrie, come here, look.
Oh, there's one right there.
Kyrie, look.
Get it.
Hurry.
Go get it.
Come here.
Kitty.
Kyrie, look. Can you put it in your basket? Good job. Go find more.
Find
Is
the
there
rest.
more? Over
Kyrie,
here.
There's
go
one
by
over there.
Uncle.
You didn't look around.
Let's get your basket.
Look, there's some more.
Look, by your blocks.
Hurry, find him. Hurry, find him. Oh, there's one. Is there more? Keep looking.
By your feet. Look by your feet. Look.
Look down there. Keep looking. Just pointing down, so just look down. Put it in there. Find some more.
Kyrie, look.
Oh, one right by my feet.
Over by Uncle.
Is there more?
Over by Uncle.
Yeah, there
Kyrie,
should be like 3
Is there
more.
more? You gotta look around.
I put some in the hallway.
There's one.
Hurry.
Look by your money. Look by all your money.
She's like, but there's one over there. Which one do we get first?
Good job. Can you put them in your basket? Okay, there's still more.
Let's find some more. Keep going.
Kitty's got an egg over here. Right there.
Do you see any more?
Look behind you. By Uncle's room.
You see any more? Look around. She got that one open. Eat it. Eat it. Put the thing in her mouth. Ooh, found another one. There's some on the ground. Just
Go
pooping,
put it in your basket.
pooping cotton candy.
It goes in your basket.
Look for more.
Look, there's one right there.
Put them in the basket.
Where's your basket? Let's go get it.
She got this one open in the hallway.
Hey, Kyrie, put it in your basket.
She takes the candy.
Yay! You found them all. Can you bring your basket to Daddy?
Go show Daddy. Go show him. Say, look at all this I got, Dad.
What'd you get? Did you see all this stuff? Oh, little princess wand.
Show mama.
Phew.